Hello everybody, JetLifePennyStocks.com here with PNGM, the PNGM Corporation. We closed up September 11th at 0.085 and we closed up today September 12th at 0.075. That's a decrease of 11.76% on a volume of 135,582 shares. So a really nice volume with PNGM today, and I wouldn't let that negative percentage bother you too much. We still have lots of positive indicators and lots of bullish signs that I'm about ready to take you through. Our 14-day RSI is at 56.73. We're coming down out of that bullish zone. We were above 70 for a while, and we're coming down towards that 50. Have a long way to go before we need to worry about hitting that 30 sign, and I expect us to rebound off of that 50, if not before. Our daily charts here are really active. We have our parabolic SAR and the gold dots underneath our candlesticks, as well as two signal line crossovers, the 50 over the 200-day moving average back in the middle of August, and at the very beginning of August we had our 12 and 26-day EMAs cross over each other, both of which are strong and bullish indicators. Volume has been doing really nicely. Incredibly, we've been holding on to some of these shares. We've been trading really heavily since the beginning of August, and all of these would are really implying that we're going to see our prices break. And we do have two really nice channels. We have a really tight one here with our support being at about 0.06 and our resistance being at around 0.09. It's a very tight channel to be trading in. We'd like to see us break out of that when the market opens. Following that, we do have another support line, probably somewhere around 0.04, making our second resistance line up here at the 10 cent mark. Breaking out of that 0.9 should give us a really easy break through that 10, I would say, and then after that, our sky is the limit. I would also say that our 26-day EMA is playing a nice support line as well. After that, our MACD here, it crossed underneath its signal line, but we're not too far underneath it. We could see it reverse and overtake that signal line, giving us that bullish indicator that we want. We are above our zero line, though, and that's telling us that we are still in a strong position. Our 30-day tricks crossed over its signal line back in the middle of July, and we've been holding on to that, staying bullish. Our slow stochastics are doing nice. We came down and we touched our signal line. Should bounce off of that. It would be really nice to see a rebound and some strength gaining from that. We are above the 50 anyway, and that is still a nice place to be. Still some strength there. Chika money flow coming down towards the zero. Bouncing off of that would also be really nice, but again, we are nice and neutral, have a lot of movement, and we can really employ that to our own advantage. Stochastic RSI bottomed out at about 0, and we're looking to see us rebound off of that. We came up near that point. We are at 0. We should rebound off of that and make a recovery. We can't really go any lower, and that's telling us that our prices have really reached the bottom. We should see a rebound, and our prices should come with it. Chika money flow doing really nice. Had some really strong buying, a really good market lately, and we are coming down. And we are slowing down, though. It doesn't seem to be dropping too steeply, and we should see a recovery when the market opens. ADX is letting us know that we are in an uptrend, even though it doesn't look to be on our daily charts up there. Our positive DI is above the negative DI, which is telling us that we are in that positive trend. PVO looking nice, crossed over its signal line, and we are bullish there. And our money flow index is leveled out. We're nice and neutral right near that 50 line. Perfect place to be. Finally, accumulation and distribution. We've been holding on to our shares, and we've been accumulating a lot of them lately. Doesn't seem to be slowing down too much. We are consolidating right now. We have leveled out, and when the market opens, I'd like to see that bounce back up again. PNGM is looking to be a really powerful play. We have a lot of positive signs here, and it would be really nice to break out of these very tight channels that we've been trading in, and we could see some major gains once we break through that 10 cent mark. Volume, always incredible, and lots of bullish indicators. If you have any questions or comments, want to talk about PNGM, you can find us on iHub. Just search JetLife. As always, if you haven't already, subscribe to our newsletter at www.jetlifepennystocks.com. And as always, good luck in the market, and we will see you on the boards.